Welcome to this channel. Please remember to subscribe. In this video, we will learn to identify animals and also how to spell. Use the clues and fill in the missing letter in each question to identify the correct answer. There is no pressure. This is just for fun. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? The missing letter is N. The animal is the lion. Can you hear its roar? Let's get started. What is the tallest animal in the world? The missing letter is R. The animal is the giraffe. It has a really long neck. Which bird cannot fly, but is an excellent swimmer? The missing letter is G. The animal is the penguin. Which big cat is known for its black stripes and orange fur? The missing letter is T. The animal is the tiger. What is the name of the largest land animal? The missing letter is P. The animal is the elephant. Can you hear its trumpet? What animals eat bamboo? The missing letter is D. Panda bears eat bamboo. What farm animal is known for rolling in mud to stay cool? The missing letter is G. Pigs roll in mud to stay cool. Which animal has the cleanest sense of smell? The missing letter is D. Dogs have the cleanest sense of smell. Which animal purrs as a way of showing comfort? The missing letter is A. The animal is the cat. What animal's young ones are called fawns? The missing letter is D. A young deer is called a fawn. What animal is known for its black and white stripes? The missing letter is R. A zebra has black and white stripes. Thank you for taking the time to learn while having fun too. See you next time.